Hello everyone, this is Ilan. I am from Virtualan Software. I am going to show using Virtualan how you can create parameterized way of creating mock data. Let me go back to the live demo site to demonstrate the Get API example. So let me go back to the URL microservices.virtualandemo.com :808000. This is openly available for everybody. You can go and try experiment adding a mock data. I'm just going to add mock data for pet API. I'm just going to select pet, and pets has a lot of different APIs. We are going to use get using pet ID. Let me go back to here, and here we are going to do select HTTP status code 200, and we are going to select params, and then we are going to parameterize. So we need a pet ID request and also mock response. So you need a JSON, and you can go and grab the JSON from the catalog. And I'm going to the catalog, pet store, and I'm going to the pet store Swagger contract. And let me go back to the pet ID. And this is going to share me the contract JSON, which I need to use for to create the mock data. Just copying the mock data. I'm going back to the add mock, and I'm going to put the JSON here. And I'm going to categorize ID and name. I'm going to create ID, and I'm going to create name as well, parameterized way. Let me replace name. So I'm going to also pet ID also it's parameterized. I'm going to select ID. So I'm going to give 1000 as a pet ID and pet name is Rocky. And I'm going to give one more pet ID, pet record, mark data 2000 and Ryan. So let me add that. Add the mock data got added. Mock response added successfully for the given request parameters. So let's go back and look at the mock data, the Virtualan software UI. And if you go back to the load, and it will show the data it's added. So here I'm going to go the parameter pet ID by ID and the parameters. So parameter 1000, Rocky 2000 Ryan. Let's go and test this API using Postman. Let me go back to the Postman. Let's go back and let's look at, you need to give the pet ID 1000 and you have to get Rocky as the response. Let's go back to the Postman and try to give pet ID is 1000. I'm going to check the response data. So I got Rocky as the response. So I created another record 2000. It's supposed to return Ryan. Execute the API and I got Ryan. That's how you can create parameterized way of mocking using Virtualan. Thanks for watching and thank you.